Hey, this is Christian Sees with Integris Financial. I want to take a couple of seconds here just to talk to you about the number one question I get from families when I sit down with them to talk about life insurance. They always ask, how much coverage do I need? There's a real simple way to figure this out, and it's super important. It's called the DIMES method, D-I-M-E-S. The D stands for debt. If you have any debt, you want to make sure that gets paid off. Let's assume you're one of the lucky ones and don't have any. We'll put a nice zero there. The I stands for income. You want 8 to 10 times your income. So if you make $100,000 a year, 100,000 times 10, that brings you to $1 million. We'll add that to the calculation. Mortgage, especially if you live in the Northeast, you may have a sizable mortgage on your home or your property. Let's say you have $250,000 left on that. E is for education. Maybe you want to pay for private schooling for one of your children during high school years, or maybe there's secondary school, college, or some type of technical school you want to pay for. You want to make sure that is paid off and paid for and provided for. Average household has about 2 children. Let's say each college experience is going to cost $125,000. I know that's low. Just want to use simple numbers here. 2 times 125, that's 250,000. And S stands for stuff. Whatever your stuff is your stuff. Maybe you wanted to buy a vacation home as part of your plans. Maybe you would like to pay for a wedding or weddings or whatever your stuff is you want to make sure is taken care of. The idea behind life insurance is that your family can achieve the hopes and dreams you had for them without you being there, but we can help provide for them financially by putting the right plan in place. So let's just call that 100,000. Right? That brings us to 1.6 million. $1.6 million in coverage that's needed. This number could be a lot higher. Maybe there's other things to offset it. Maybe there's retirement money that's saved that can offset that number. But it just makes sense to put some thought into this when you're coming up with the figure that you need to determine how much coverage you need. Now, the cool thing is, I'm going to put a comment at the bottom of this post that has a link where you can go and quote it for yourself and see how much it would cost for yourself. You can choose the term, you can choose how much coverage you need, and you can actually, if you want to, apply right online and see what it will cost you. But I'll put that in the link. I just want to thank you guys for listening. Any questions, send me a message, comment below, give me a call. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you, and thank you from Integris Financial. Have a great day.